Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with Clean Eating Without Sacrifice. I am here to talk to you guys about our Epic Summer Career. Oh, I did it again. Epic Summer Career Kit. I'd say I did it again because I just did a video like half an hour ago talking about the kit and our July promotions, and I missaid the same word. Okay, I've been teaching a lot today, so I think I'm starting to lose my voice, and that's kind of a tongue twister. Epic Summer, I almost did again, career kit, okay? So it is only until July the 15th. It's July the 4th today. Have a look at it. It's an amazing deal. When I signed up for Epicure, we only had the option for the big kit, which is awesome, but that's about $200 and something, right? So if you're able to get something for $99, that's amazing. Even if you don't want to sell, do it because it's $240 worth of products. If you do want to sell and you sell 4 qualified cooking classes, I believe, you get a lot for free. So let me just show you that because it's probably easier for me to show you guys on my screen. So here's the Epic Summer Career Kit. It's kind of small. I tried to make it bigger, but it wouldn't let me. But this is what's all included, okay? All of this amazing stuff. I will actually post the link so you guys can see this a lot easier on the bottom of my channel here. So have a look, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to send me a message. I am so happy to help. So you get all of this for $99. That's $240 value. So even if you don't want to sell, keep it for yourself, honestly. And then if you hold 4 qualified cooking classes in your first 30 days, easy to do. Trust me, you get all of this for free. So that's if you want to sell. This is just sort of an incentive to help you guys sell. And Epicure is easy because what? It's herbs, spices, cookware. People need to eat. People need to have cooking be a little bit more exciting and taste good, right? All natural ingredients, peanut free. Amazing. I can go on. But this is the Epic Summer Startup Kit. Let me know if you have any questions. I am so happy to help, and I will see you guys in the next one.